Welcome back, and in today's tech tip, I'll be showing you how to adjust the notification sound volume on your Android phone. Now for this tutorial, I'll be using a Samsung Galaxy phone running Android 14. So go to settings. On the main settings page, go to sounds and vibration, tap on that, and then go to notification sound, tap on that. And at the top there, you'll see a slider you can use to adjust the notification sound volume. So you can adjust depending on how much volume you want. Alternatively, if you go back one step, there's a dedicated section for volume, which you can tap on. And here you can adjust volume of different things. So for notifications, use this slider here. It says notifications, and you can use that to adjust the notification sound volume on your Android 14 powered Samsung Galaxy phone. Now you can use more or less the same instructions for other Android phones. Thanks for watching and good luck.